Hello students, welcome to online classes presented by Kids C Public School, and today we will do chapter number 8 book exercise at page number 29 and 30 in your book. So here you can see first question is given, write the feminine nouns of the following. Feminine means female gender, you have to write it here of the male gender. First is gander, goose. Second, policeman, policewoman. Third, bridegroom, bride. Leopard, leopardess. Fifth, boar, sow. Peacock, peahen. Seventh, ram, ewe. Stepfather, stepmother. Dog, bitch. Eight, duke, duchess. Cock, hen. Landlord, landlady. Now come to the second question. Fill in the blanks with masculine or feminine nouns, then complete the crossword. First we will do downward masculine and feminine. First is actor, actress, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, gander, goose, nephew, niece, waiter, waitress. If you have learned the gender, then it will be very easy to you to do this crossword. Then after writing this blank, you have to fill it in your crossword in downward. Second, across masculine, feminine. Seventh, bull, cow, man, woman, fox, vixen, prince, princess, emperor, empress, stallion, mare, brother, sister, king, queen, drake, duck, wizard, witch. And then you have to write down in across like this. In this way you have to write it in this crossword. Okay students, now come to page number 30. Question is given, write each sentence changing the gender of the words given in color, and you have to change the gender of the color nouns. Okay, first is the farmer has cows, he goats and cocks. Here you have to change the color nouns gender. Here see, first is cows, he goats and cocks. So cows will change into bulls and he goats will change into she goats. Cocks will change into hens. So sentence will become, the farmer has bulls, she goats and hens. Second, lions, tigers, leopards and foxes live in forest. So answer will, lionesses, tigresses, leopardesses and vixens live in forest. Third, king, queen, men and women came to see the fair. So king will change into queen, queen will change into king, man into woman, woman into men, and then came to see the fair. Fourth, her mother invited the gentleman but not the ladies. So her mother will change into his father, invited the gentleman will change into ladies, but not the ladies will change into gentlemen. Okay. Now fifth, the prince was angry. His mother, the queen, his father, the king had sent invitation males only and not to females. So all these will change into their opposite form. So prince will change into princess. The princess was angry. His her father, the king, her mother, the queen had sent invitation to females only, not to males. So seen here, all the colored nouns were changed into their opposite gender. Sixth, the bride and the bridegroom were happy to meet uncles and aunts. So the answer will be, the bridegroom and the bride were happy to meet aunts and uncle. Seventh, so question seventh is, the husband and wife enjoyed holiday with their son and daughter. So answer will be, husband will change into wife, wife will change into husband, son into daughter and daughter into son. So the statement will be, wife and husband enjoyed holidays with their daughter and son. Eighth, the landlord gave dirty clothes to washerman and told him to wash them quickly. So the landlady gave dirty clothes to washerwoman and told her to wash them quickly. So have you seen how we are changing the nouns in the question into their opposite form? So students, you have to also do this book exercise at page number 29 and 30 carefully in your book, and students again revise the exercise and learn the forms of gender. Thank you, students.